Well, some good news for some local organizations. They're getting some money from federal pandemic relief. It's going to expand mental health services. And Channel 8's Veronica Barreto joins us now with more on how the money is going to be used. Veronica.
Yeah, more than $3 million in federal pandemic relief funding is to be awarded to 27 projects across Nebraska to develop, expand, and train behavioral health workers. This second round comes after 83 other projects received funding back in January, and it also includes Lincoln organizations. Cedars Youth Services will receive close to $115,000 for tele-behavioral health in rural areas. They were granted another $254,000 in January. Centerpoint was awarded $72,000 for training and education opportunities. Centerpoint says this money will allow them to better prepare interns.
We applied for 7 different grants. We only got funded on one of them, and that was to fund interns who can come here and learn how to be a professionally licensed person and have that internship so they can get a little money while they're doing it.
Hansen says this could also help them with job recruitment.
The first and foremost, what we want to do is train new people to be part of the workforce, and then hopefully if they stayed on, that would be wonderful, because the workforce issues have been very dramatic over the last couple of years, and we can always use more people.
Those who applied were divided in different categories related to workforce, telehealth programs, and services for substance users. Some organizations received more than others depending on their applications. In the first round of grants, the Board of Regents of the University of Nebraska in Lincoln received $500,000. Bryan Telemedicine received $1 million. In the second round, the Lincoln Medical Education Partnership got $10,000, and the Nebraska Mental Health Centers received close to $14,000. No word yet on when these organizations will be receiving the money. The grants will be given out through the Behavioral Health Education Center of Nebraska.
All right. Thank you, Veronica. Coming up.